Hi, I'm going to show you today how to add a simple product in Prestashop 8. Here is our dashboard. We go to Catalog and Products, and then we click on New Product button, choose the standard product, and again add new product. So we have more fields here to fill and start to product name, which is green bag for us. Here we drop an image for our product. Then in summary, we put a short description and then in long description, some more words. Down below we have categories and leave it at home for the moment. And in tab details, we put the reference for our product, which we write ref 001. In stock, we put here the quantity. Let's say we have just one product. And then in shipping, we put here the weight of our product. The weight is in kilograms, so be careful what you are filling in. And the pricing tab, we're gonna add the price of our product and select the proper tax rate. So we're gonna save here our product. These are the basic for adding a Prestashop product in your online store. And then we're gonna get a preview for our product to see how the clients are gonna see our article on the site. So here is the name, here is the price, here is the short description, this is our photo, and down below here is the description. And in top product details we have the reference and the stock status. I'm waiting you for more videos in the next period.